Hey, what is up, guys? So just want to let you know we have some new Vanoss merch on the store, so go check it out if you can. But besides that, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you all motherfucking later. Out of the way. Out of the way.
You gotta dance. Best dance moves wins. Woo! Woo! Woo!
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, God.
Oh, yeah.
Am I disturbing you guys?
Moo, come in! Come in! There's plenty of room for Jello. Plenty.
Oh, for fuck's sake, I'm sinking up my shit and I come back and you're... It's an orgy.
It's always an orgy on Stick Fight.
Get away!
Are we doing an intro?
Yeah. Hold on. Okay, go ahead, Brian. Do this.
Hello. Welcome.
Hey.
Look, nothing says an intro.
Kill him!
Yes, he did.
All right, let's do the intro. Let's do the intro.
All
All
right.
right, who's doing it?
Okay.
Do it for real this time.
What's
Assholes.
up, everybody? I'm here. Fucking
Kill him!
Come on! No!
All right, let's do the intro for real. All right. Okay.
All right.
Who's doing it?
It's one of us.
Oh, you
All
almost
right,
attacked.
everyone, welcome to Stick Fight. Kill
Wow!
Okay.
All right.
Oh,
Wait a minute, what do you
look,
mean,
guys,
all right?
guys. New maps. That's the
No.
title of this video. New
No.
maps. Yeah.
Guys! Oh,
Huh?
kill me!
What are you talking-
Okay, how do I-
What?
This map is called Kill Me.
Whoa, whoa,
How do
whoa.
I pick up?
What the hell happened to Delirious? Delirious is
Guys,
sinking through the map.
I'm in the wall!
I
Man,
can't pick
What
up
the
the gun.
fuck? I don't know. Oh, no,
Guys.
you're down there.
I got sunk into the wall and then spit
How?
out into the spikes. I don't know. Well,
Okay, I
he's
was
dead. He's
trying to
dead as
help
shit.
you, but it's cool.
He's dead.
No,
he's
you
dead
killed
as hell.
yourself. Look at that spike.
Look at all those weapons.
Okay. Okay.
That was sick.
All right. Wow.
Okay.
Look at
All
this.
right, boys. Look, this map is amazing.
No, wait.
Okay. Stop.
I just want to fit.
Oh, first one to the
I want it.
pissel wins.
Look at that
I know.
golden.
Okay.
I know that's what I'm trying to do.
First one to the
I don't
golden
think we're
pistol at the bottom wins. Get back down. I'm stuck.
Yes.
Oh, for
Come on,
fuck's sakes.
First one to the golden
You
pistol.
go first.
First one to the golden pistol. Challenge is mine.
You know what?
Accepted.
You know
Challenge is accepted. Oh my god. Oh.
Hey,
Come on. Squeeze through, Delirious. Squeeze!
We get up top? How do you get up top? Damn it.
Wait, what?
Oh, yes.
He tried to cheat. Did you see that?
Yeah.
No,
Gotta
I did
cheat.
not try to cheat.
Oh god. Look at me trying to. You know what?
Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Wait.
Hold on.
No,
I can
no,
squeeze
Delirious,
through this
course.
part.
I like
Delirious,
my course.
go up.
I know I could go up, but
Wait a
then I
minute.
have
Yeah.
to go
Wait a
around.
minute. Wait a minute.
Oh,
Wait a
no,
minute.
isn't.
Wait a minute.
Yes.
No!
You guys
Move.
are.
Come on.
Move.
Come on.
Move.
No. I got this shit.
Move.
I got this shit. I'm the
Move.
champion.
Oh.
Wait, where's the pistol?
Where'd the pistol go?
Where'd it go?
Get the fuck out of me!
I didn't even notice it disappeared.
What did you do with the pistol, you scum?
I didn't do anything with it.
Obviously, it was...
Look at all those guns up there. Wow, we got baited. We got bait. Look at Moose sliding.
did.
Look at Moose sliding. Slide into your DMs.
Oh,
Shit, he's gonna get all the weapons Delirious up top.
He is. Let's go. Kill him. We need to get the weapons. I need to sneak back through this. This is like half my video right here. Let's go.
I can't get up.
You just gotta spam the jump. You gotta be agile.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
We can't get there. Let's just
Yeah, fuck you. Yeah, you wanna go, huh? You wanna go?
Oh, I'm dead.
Here, you know what? I don't even care.
Yes,
Enjoy it.
Tom.
Yes! Strategy.
That was good though. I like the idea of the map. Oh.
Yeah.
What's this?
Oh.
Gun.
Oh,
no.
Got a gun.
Yes!
Oh, no. Oh,
Brian,
no, he
think of what I
killed
just
me.
did for you.
Didn't kill
Think of
me.
what I just did for you.
Didn't kill me. I would never kill. No, please.
Oh my
Please.
god. Right, fine.
Move.
Okay. All right.
Move.
Stand back.
Move.
Wanna go, huh? Oh.
Stand back.
I got it. Ah, no, I'm dead.
Oh, come on,
Move, throw the
move.
spear in his face.
Hey,
throw
Brock.
the spear
Hey, Brock.
right
Yeah.
in
Hey,
his
Brock.
face.
Oh, you got him.
Oh, you speared his.
Oh, take the gun.
Come on, spearmint.
Oh, that almost
That's a
landed on
fire
him.
gun. It did. It almost killed him.
Oh! That was sick.
The death run race.
Please
Death
do
run.
this move.
What? I'm dead.
I'm a beast. Look at that.
got the gun.
Let's
Are
go,
you
motherfuckers.
serious?
You wanna go, huh? You wanna go? Let's go.
Brian, we have to coordinate
Let's go.
this
Come on.
attack.
I dare you.
Come
Come
on.
over that
Come on,
wall. Come
attack
on
him.
that fucking wall. I dare you.
Attack him.
Hey, Brock.
Okay, Brian.
Brock.
3.
He can only
2.
kill one.
Kill
He
it!
can-
Oh, no! Ah! What? I died on the spike.
Ah, what is this?
These new maps are awesome.
Oh, they are.
Oh yeah, you better. Oh, you better not
Oh,
fall.
I thought that was a weapon. I thought that was a weapon.
This is a weapon.
Ow, 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 ow.
Ow,
Oh.
ow.
What?
You fucking kill me. Come on.
You.
How do I get on the other side?
Shoot the boxes.
Oh, you can climb straight up that wall, Vanoss.
Oh, there's a spike here. I'm scared.
Jump over the damn spike. There you go. Oh, there you go. Uh-oh.
Hello!
Uh-oh.
Surprise, motherfucker!
I was too busy trying to get the boxes out of the
Roll
way.
for the castle.
Oh my,
Oh my
god.
What is
Whoa.
this?
Holy shit.
I got a pistol. I'm not afraid to shoot scums.
Scum.
Scums. Oh, God. Fit, squeeze
You just-
through.
Hi, Bliss.
Oh, God. No.
Worm my way through.
He destroyed me. Oh, wait a minute. What's that weapon at the very bottom? You see that?
Oh, I did it again. I
Oh,
killed
I think
myself.
I think that weapon at the very bottom shoots through everything. See it?
Oh, yeah,
The one
yeah,
in
I
the middle
see
at
it,
the
I
very
see it, I
bottom.
see it.
They bounce off the wall.
Move. Go for the one in the middle, on the bottom. You just got a sword. The one below that one. Shoot it. Shoot it now. I think you can shoot through every. Oh no, it's the bounty you. Okay.
Look at him. You need some help there, sir?
Shoot it.
some
See what
help?
happens. Shoot it
Are you
once.
stuck,
Shoot it
sir?
once. Okay.
Oh, I'm gonna flank you. I'm gonna flank you. You better hurry
Oh,
up.
he. But run, move,
Oh shit.
run. I don't think that gun is good in this environment.
Where are you going?
I'm gonna make it work.
Okay,
you
the gun
going?
is too big for his.
Watch out, Brian's still alive.
Is he?
Distraction!
Whoa! What if you shot yourself in the head right there?
Oh, be careful with that gun.
Come on.
It's dangerous.
Listen, he's played poker his whole life. He knows about corner shots.
Just wait for him to reload.
Get that.
Wait, did you say I've played poker my whole life? I know about corner shots?
Oh,
Wait, wait. What's that gun? What's that gun? What's that gun up top?
Cool. What
I
gun?
can't really tell.
There's no gun up there.
Distraction! Fuck.
Oh.
Whoa.
Star Wars
Battle.
copyright.
Battle of Hawks.
Whoa, look, it's
Star
a
Wars.
weird elephant.
It's Star Wars.
gun.
Make it
Come
an
gun.
elephant.
Star
Come gun.
Wars. Star Wars. Come gun. Come gun.
Go away. Go away. Go away. Go away. Go away. Go away.
Ow.
Oh no, I'm stuck.
Oh yeah, you are stuck.
Oh no,
Kill him, Brian, kill him.
I'm not stuck anymore. I'm not stuck anymore.
Oh wait, that was Moo.
I'm not stuck.
You fucker.
Take that.
Uh-oh.
Take that. Take that.
Moo's in trouble.
Yeah, snakes.
My snakes. My snakes are blocked out the sun.
Oh, Moo, you're in
Yeah.
a lot of trouble there.
No, this is fine.
Snakes will kill everybody.
Are you sure about that, Moo?
Moo, come on, Moo. You got this, Moo. I
Shoot the
believe.
snakes.
Ah!
Snakes, get back!
So many snakes. So many snakes.
Holy shit!
Yes.
Oh, snakes on a plane.
Tired of all these
Snakes on a
motherfucking
plane.
snakes on this motherfucking plane.
Everything's a snake!
Help! Help!
Oh no! It's a snake tsunami! No! Oh! Snakes!
No.
Snakes!
Oh my god.
What was that?
What the fuck is this?
I'm so glad they added these maps. All right, guys. Listen, the blue man wants to live life. Please let him live life. Get the fuck off me. Get the fuck back. Get the fuck back.
Oh shit.
Get the fuck off of me. Oh. I'm dead.
I won't hurt you, sir. No. Truce. No, truce. Let me get that. I know where he is. Don't worry. Don't. Well, you're not to be bargained with. Oh, great.
Oh, you want this
yeah.
gun? You want this gun? You
You're in trouble,
this
bro.
gun?
Urine. He said urine.
want this gun? Anybody want a gun? Huh?
Yeah, go get Brock. He's at the very top right, just off the map.
What are you talking about? I'm dead.
Yeah, he
Oh,
died.
yeah. Cheer.
Whoa. How'd you do that?
Let's go, bitch.
How'd you do that?
Go. Let me use my stick. I'm blind, so I need to use the stick
I'm
to see where I'm
dead,
going.
Kill
Holy! Ah! Holy shit!
What was that? What was that?
Ah! Yes.
I think I scared him to attack as well.
Attack. Oh, good. Please. Just one up.
You guys are gonna die from the
on,
spikes. You guys are gonna die from the spikes.
Come on, baby.
yeah?
Yeah, I'm just gonna wait here and I'm gonna win. Come get me, man. It's safe down here near the spikes. The old
there you go.
switcheroo.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Oh.
Wow, he has a ton of guns now. A ton.
Ah!
What?
Wow.
Wow.
Jeez,
How's
Vanna's
the
on
advantage?
fire.
All right, death run.
Where you going? Where you going?
And I'm dead.
Oh, I'm dead. Come on, Vanoss. Really? You're gonna do what I was gonna do?
Oh, you should have
You're
done
gonna do what
it.
I was gonna do?
You didn't do it, man. You should have done it.
Delirious, just so you know.
You go around the side, Delirious, right?
Trying to do.
You better do it. You better execute the plan. Where'd you go? Are you still alive? Oh, you're still alive! Come down here, Delirious. He's dead. Well,
I need
Wait a minute. Wait a
we
minute.
have
Wait a
an
minute.
interesting situation.
Moose
Shut your
stuck
mouth,
up.
bro. Shut your
Moose
mouth,
stuck up the
Delirious.
robot's ass. And the battle come. Whoa!
What the
Where'd
fuck?
Vanoss
Whoa.
go? He went.
I'm
Whoa!
still-
Whoa!
Oh, I'm alive!
How are you
I'm alive! It's a
That gun has so
miracle.
much force on it. Use the force, Terrorizer.
And now I'm dead. Oh no, I'm alive!
Wait,
I'm
you're
alive!
still alive?
Oh my god.
What the fuck is going on?
How are you still alive?
I don't know! I don't know!
He's immortal.
I'm dead. No, I'm alive! No, I'm kidding.
Moose trying to get up the creature's asshole.
This is an AT-AT
Uh-oh.
turd right
You better
here.
hurry. You better hurry.
Oh,
Oh no. Oh
Better
no.
hurry.
Oh no. Oh no. They can fly. They can fly.
oh. So can I? Huh.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh, for fuck's
let's
sake.
go.
Making record time.
Yeah. Hold on. I'm gonna get up there. Get up there. Get up
Nice,
there.
Mo, nice.
Get up there. Come on!
Oh, get it, 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 get it. Oh, it dropped!
No, it's still there on my screen.
Still there?
He's got it. He's got it.
Oh my god, I
Shoot it.
actually
Can
see
you shoot
it.
it. Yeah, I see it too. Can you shoot it?
And on that note,
Is it still alive? What's happening?
that is the end of this session.
Tracked down.
That's the end of this session.
Did he
Yeah,
kill himself?
GG's.
And
And,
in
goodbye.
honor of the gun,
Wow.
yep. Okay. All right, guys. Good job.
What did that gun do?
It made a little fart sound and disappeared.
You want that someone else for real? You're looking for something else for real? Yeah, you need that someone who's too real. If you want that something else, go and get it, baby.
One.